Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another Mjengo Hub video, and today we're here at Mamboleo Junction in Kisumu. We want to see the progress of the construction of the Mamboleo Miwani Road. The works have actually started continuing, and it's very important because it's politically motivated. Some of you may be interested in that. And yeah, let's check it out. Let's see the benefits and let's enjoy Kisumu. Please subscribe. Thank you very much. On strategic importance, it's as an economic corridor. The road traverses the Nyanza sugar belt, home to major sugar factories such as Miwani, Chemelil, and Muhoroni. Its upgrade is vital for efficient transportation of sugarcane and sugar products, bolstering trade and agriculture in the region. It will also serve as a critical link between Kisumu and the counties of Nandi and Kericho, enhancing regional integration and access to markets. The length of the entire project spans approximately 63 kilometers, with the Mamboleo Miwani section being the most significant segment, which is what we are showing today. And the budget is funded by the National Treasury, approximated to cost 4.9 billion Kenya shillings. The construction is divided into 3 lots. So lot 1, we have Mamboleo Junction, this major roundabout to Miwani, handled by China Railways 10th Group. Lot 2, Miwani to Chemelil. Lot 3, Chemelil to Kipsitet, managed by Sinohydro company and Mjengo, of course. So resumption of the construction after initial delays due to funding issues resumed in early 2025 this year, following government interventions to resolve payment disputes. So, broad-based. Thank you, very important. Currently, as of today, the construction is approximately 15% done. And you can see the contractors are active on site. Not very active, but moderately active, which is promising. Of this road, we have upgrades. The road is being upgraded to bitumen standard, featuring a 7-meter wide carriageway with 2-meter wide shoulders, which is huge by any standards. This is a very, very big road. Improvements include the installation of drainage systems, culverts, and the construction of bus bays to accommodate increased traffic and enhance safety. The upgraded road is expected to stimulate economic activities by improving access to markets, reducing transportation costs, and obviously attracting investments. It will provide a shorter and more efficient route compared to the longer Kisumu Ahero Awasi Muhoroni Road, thereby reducing travel time and vehicle operating costs. By serving as a bypass, the road will alleviate traffic congestion within Kisumu County, Kisumu City, improving urban mobility. So, as we already discussed, the road has been neglected in the past. It has suffered from years of neglect, leading to its deterioration. So, the Mamboleo Miwani Road has frequently been spotlighted during election periods. Notably, in 2018, President Ruiru announced the awarding of the construction tender during a tour of Kisumu and Siaya counties. This announcement was perceived by many as a strategic move to garner support in the region. So, August 2020, the National Treasury approved 4.9 billion for the road. And in March 2021, Kenya awarded the contract to Sinohydro in joint venture with Graga. In September 2021, construction works commenced, with local leaders and residents expressing optimism, obviously. But in October 2022, when the project officially commenced, it soon faced budgetary constraints, leading to a stall in construction activities. So since then, now in 2025, now it has resumed again, thanks to broad-based, and we hope it can be broadly finished. Make sure you subscribe. Adios.